When it comes to the flutes, many of us prefer the deep, low tone. But it comes with some trade-offs, as in order to get the deepest tone, you have to choose the largest flute, like this one, Healing Flute, C sharp in 432 Hz. And the larger the flute, the harder it is to cover all 6 holes. Eventually, we all will develop finger dexterity needed for this, but for some, it may take weeks, or if you're a beginner, have smaller hands or little time for practice, it may take even months. The good news is I'm going to show you how you can use this flute. We're just covering 3 top holes and create healing songs right away that can help you to develop the needed finger memory and also provide this healing creative and musical effect. So we're going to start just covering the top 3 holes with our 3 fingers, and this creates one of the notes that belongs to the basic scale of this flute, and then we will open the middle finger and the index finger. This is another 2 notes that are available here, and we're just gonna practice going up and down, creating this mini scale, half of the scale, and creating the song. Hear how it can sound. Once you practice this and you get comfortable, you can even incorporate opening the 3rd hole for some combinations like this. Once you're comfortable playing with the 3 holes with your one hand, try and switch it up. It will help you to develop the necessary dexterity on the other hand. Once you're comfortable here, you can go further and cover and start using the 4th hole. It's going to add another note and another dimension to your sound. For example, just incorporating this one note can expand your songs significantly. as you can see and hear, even using the top 4 holes already creates beautiful sounds, beautiful songs, beautiful melodies, the one that you can experiment with and provide the necessary sound healing that you or others need. It's very good for relaxation, stress release, and general creativity, unwinding, reducing anxiety, and just healing and being more happy and joyful. And then eventually you will continue to add another note, which is not so hard. And the hardest part, it will come, I promise, as you practice 5 to 10 minutes per day during the week. I prefer to do this practice early morning, like a meditation, and you will be able to cover all the holes and experience the full potential of this beautiful healing flute, of this instrument. And as you could notice, I did use some of the notes and some of the scale, incorporated the basic scale. It's actually just opening the fingers one by one. Except the 3rd finger. But it also has a major scale where you just hold the 4th finger always closed. And when you get this finger dexterity, try just going up and down the scale. Up and down. This will help you to create the necessary memory and then to create songs, mixing up the notes. But this is another step and more advanced techniques and journeys that I will probably record and explain in the next videos. But for now, practice this, just the 3 notes, small steps at a time, and you will be playing soon enough.